What hearing care providers wish more people knew about hearing tests? They wish more people knew that hearing tests are simple. Your appointment typically starts with a conversation about your hearing and any situations where listening has become more difficult. Next, a hearing care professional may examine your ears and guide you through a few hearing assessments. You may be asked to listen for different tones or repeat words presented at different volume levels. After the assessment, your hearing care professional will explain your results, answer your questions, and talk through what they mean for you. A hearing test can give you a clearer picture of your hearing health and help you understand what, if any, next steps may be right for you. Schedule a hearing appointment with Hear USA to better understand your hearing health.